here. I don't usually make it like that. Too much. Wait. Hi people. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy weekend to you all, my lovely, amazing people. From your one and only big mommy Suzy. Compliments of the season. How are you guys doing? I will see you guys tomorrow, right, on live stream. Mama, you're not going to tell us, I go come. I just did this. Good morning, everyone. But we get up this morning, please. Thank you all so much for your support. Tomorrow, we'll still go to TikTok. Tomorrow is going to be the first time, okay? Screaming from TikTok. Tomorrow, please, when I go support me, I never done it before. If you just distress while you're wrong. No matter the quality, anything, the Wahala. Tomorrow is going to be the first time. I will scream from TikTok tomorrow also. Thank you all so much. And God will bless all of you now. Please follow me in Mommy Suzy Suzy, the sexy grandma. Good morning. Welcome to the class this morning. Let's do it together. Support your one and only Mommy Suzy Suzy. Tomorrow, now go support me for TikTok. I beg. I never done before. Tomorrow is going to be my first time screaming from TikTok. Tomorrow, so now support me. I don't know as the thing they do. No sir, I am man. Did you work more? You have any got here? Good morning, darling. How you doing? My darling, how you doing? Happy weekend, love. I am on my panty. Obey, whatever. All an office, I not get anything. I for do last time at the. My wardrobe, the cloth where they side the too much. I want to carry some clothes we are not they use all the time. Tomorrow we'll talk about them. That's it. I don't need it already. I know they buy it. Now see my wardrobe, so I got carry 10 clothes, 7 clothes. Some clothes don't pass 10 years old, but it's just that. I be person where they buy nice things, okay? But I'm not going to use everything, so I want to pack it. Go and give it to them in Africa. So I just leave only the one I need. God bless all the mother around the world. It's at all. I not forget to now. They only me the scream, but not good though. Now God will bless all of you now. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate all of you now. Arora ni pe o. Norago. Iye-eki. Happy birthday to iye-eki down. Long life and prosperity. More grace. Oh, the life too sweet to my people. Share the video. Ami ya be la ya me no be we ya be to asaka e. Music is live. Oh, come. Anya moi. Who not love music here? Music is live. Both native. Isalobo. Oh. Iye-eki down. Long life and prosperity. Happy birthday to you. More grace. You're welcome, my darling. Wato. Molodobe ti awobe. Utome igo igbera me bi yana ya nyakpon mo. Ogogo kwekpe. Happy birthday once to you again. Look at what I oh, ye. Even I go you do. I go no pay. I am oi. With Trevor. No, not that. Don't put that. If I am na, ya we na ya Caria vega que na moto de bebo, vamos aí. E caria oh, vamos aí. Na sama ye. Na mama upari erwa. Ekwe kona. Na giga mai. Garia vega ke na moti yebo. Vamos sair. Iye garia ve. Vamos sair. Viaje. Oh my God. No, I'm not going to do that. No. Mommy progress. Good morning, sweetie. Happy New Week, my love. How's the family? Oh, what's that? The only thing will not go make me, I'll ask Mama Boy later whether TikTok, whether they play music like this. Cause me, I don't like dolly moments. You understand? Or tomorrow I play my music for Facebook before we go to TikTok. But tomorrow morning, Lord leave me. Tomorrow it's going to be my first time. I don't know. I go ask Mama Boy. I think they don't want to move forward. There be no stress. Imani there. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? It's your one and only the big mommy Suzy one international. Hi, Imani via Nana Joe, my business. Please, guys, if you want to look glow, okay, apart from makeup or you beautify your picture, I don't have Rico, which is I find you te sunburn. I don't have it. You get? I don't get sunburn. I don't get I find you te Rico. My face no, you know, see look quick. Okay, my people. So if you want to be looking glow, and I not get no cost for hand. No, I'm just a normal fair person, but my skin look very like oil because of the cream where I they use. Are you getting me? So order for your pretty J Snow White. Are you getting me, my people? And also order Hollandis from Mommy Suzy Suzy. Original one now they said made in Holland. I don't buy my Hollandis from Nigeria and I don't order for AliExpress. No. Okay? If you want to buy Hollandis, be careful of where you buy your Hollandis. So fake and real. Sometimes you know they know. Okay? Do not say fake that they see first class, that they see second class. Or they fake is so we understand also you want to the Hollandis. Every Tony gume yimu because iye-eki balama. I not go carry you. Anyway, me they always they do now we be they do import and exporter. I'm going where they be because Hollandis is trusted. My no go me de Hollandis. Almost 3 or 4 of them they get what they test Hollandis. Yes, what they test and they whether not original or not be original. You understand? And they test Hollandis more all work be ave mommy ave sister waya wesi ya gelegu me de Hollandis me togi my Hollandis de all smile. Hollandis me anya kon wa abego puti be no puti be no puti ere Hollandis me mo puti o wa glow you get be no ma jeri ogbe ihie mi nenya meto bi me I'm a very neat person so also you know mosi there as you can see I'm a very fashionable person. Don't get me wrong, I'm a very very fashionable person. I do like fine things and as I buy fine things that's why they maintain now you get e konsoro abegwe so ni zanzana. Me understand me. Abegwe so the Zanzana. Egwe soro dey be 2014. Especially get one where I just now dating a buyer we are with me at buy ice cream. I just that imi otonama na very na koso gelebun. You only want fi have ni gijon ro. O ba ye new. E soro ni dey new look. E soro ni dey holy. E soro ni dey guest. E soro ni dey Zara Beska. This one where you also na new look for buyer. The time we I buy 2014 I buy am too. One for my junior on the messy mukbo gene. You know that my boy ba me but the same. All him me just see bane. Very fun and what kind short this thing on a short lived, you know, but maybe now say quick way. Very o my sick ba ni me jo be we are me on oti me be nyanana. You understand? I say I lo dey aka me je me we no la gugu. Even the Kenny after you work no work any be can. You understand? Very new. When I need 10 years, no, that's what I mean. Baba no only say na David no man. Unless I forget, many people they tell me say, Mama, I beg, where you for buy that your dress where you wear go party. Una remember if una they really they follow mommy Suzy Suzy. It be like say mommy progress they live screen that day where I did one shop. I call the test and say, make una help me look this gun. I said I want go party for Germany. I be one so native for Africa. I have in the woman half mirror judge me. Judge ne pajebo low better imo since 2023 ya do. Ina se gbe star iye-eki okpa me star pa ni iye-eki joga se ebe yo me ya se. Full judge iwe mo pink ogo me ki woni. The half mirror judge ogo me na ga orange. Iwa kun ya fi ya gian. Obege hi iga ya deni na ga ya senena. So I think you get anywhere ya him was a native very simple one like all those damask, all those kind of material. Iwa ya sukmon about design can you guys see a form of English. That's why I would take this one like the one where we go a pajebo cloth now or go me you are equal mahua. Then like the one where we go mama boy party also for Nigeria. That one go still let me wear. I would know why you be very on it. I will judge all those things. No, I'm out of the game. You get on here, we be coin you understand. So I don't really need all those things again. I just need the simple guy, whether not short or long, we will find. So some of them they ask, say, Mama, they said they see that cloth, say that they sell her for Turkey or document talk. If you want go buy. My own are real one, not be fake one, eh? My own not be made in a bar selling on Nisha. That my gun not be shine, whether not be shine, they call her be shine. I be shine, my what eh? Not be shine, not be Timo. No. That my gun is made by Zim money. Now Zim money na do an Italian made. I bought it in says 250 euro. Original one or 3 set or yari, even I just wear euro. Or go when I be a bet. Even ni ari go to a landing or to go me tobo ho. A flower one wage bo pony. Ogo many, ogo me maye lerwe wa food the or food. Even a click yo. Not be said there's someone put to they get iron what they put for inside my own. So that like my if you see you see imitation, you feel buy. My own is original, direct from Zimani. Okay? The shop we are for buying. If you say make I show you the shop, I go show you the shop. If you follow the woman I buy, it go send that can give you if you want it. They still have I think medium, I be small. Or you want medium, we more skirt and blazer or be raw. So the my own not be Timo, my own not be made in a bar selling on nature. My own not be this thing. Anywhere where you for buyer, it fits you okay, but don't classify it with my own, please. My own is original. Okay, Italian product or go making 250 yard it says 400 euro, which is 399 euro. No be shop. And then enjoy the shop in a way video with your ready. One away, manado ateto now, you so now we package will be go. It's so now we package ateo. But now, whenever if it's even I be like say, oh, you work on me no J. I be one just do normal packing and say, oh, no, since I get this, what is it called? Glowless 360. And then I pajebo party, I use and take auto igili. Let me just do one, make I put glow me and look at whether I go. And I really try it, go. So that is it. So find a Tony, ne no ye. Na ye fun because no I wu no ye no me e toto ne kene ni ahen agebe na yam egbe yo no me egbe na to na pack yo yi weke or short air or packing something there whatever something like this so that make it for fit you understand okay? So now it be if you see her anywhere you feel buy am but my I bought it in shop a slippers in Ohoni here you be 150 euro. Those of you that are based in Belgium, maybe you will, the day I will then I try, I will be trying labor. I will just do a video that day you will see it take it. You will be knowing when I go out there, I will give you the number and everything. Why you go there. You can contact her also. Maybe she can be to you in anywhere where you did. Okay. My own is Zimani products. Now my OP. Right now for Google, you see Zimani dress. Sometimes Zimani get 1,000 plus cloth. They get 2,000 cloth for Zimani. Right now. If you write out for this, an Italian product, if you write out for Google, you'll see I just write a Z-Money dress. A sort of a Z-Money no lose 500, 600. Every Z-Money don't know 2,000, 1,005. You understand? All those if you see this style, you know say na modern, all those modern this thing. I don't say Italian too they get all those mark and Italian get Rocco Barocco. Now they get Jojo Armani, all those better mechanic. Italians they are full of marker. You understand? Good morning, my darling. Good morning, my darling Omoruji. So that is it, my love, my darling, amazing people. The reason I'm here this morning, when I was seeing where I put her for there, why this era where I have a tear journey, I believe you were. Man, I'm making money. Come boss you, Bobby. Me, yeah, got that country be well. Do you know that some people are still doing human trafficking? Some people still they do human trafficking. When they get yes, sena. Why you be mama very? You have a mugwana get the police. But before we go that, please don't forget to check your BP. Okay, please don't forget to check your BP. It's very, very important. Owaga he emiame gi he oma la wuwu. Don't forget to check your BP at least once in 3 months. Omaheregbe. Ure Nigeria, ure webu, la wuwu. A BP is very important. Some people don't know, say, you believe, say, in this Western world where we still dey, some ladies, they still have BP or some men, they have BP. They still, they ignore them. I don't know why they ignore them. Whether they say, a BP, me ame no feel ma B, me ame no one, I bet all a few B, or wa. Do you understand? BP not be kind, not be one kind, me ame very only all those things. I can say if you don't dey above 35 years, you avoid stress. Run away from stress. Especially when I'm at where you just run away. Or I do have run away. If not, you will just have it. And if you have something that is bothering you, please do yourself a favor. Eko si ekoto. Arule ye magbonana. Degi wafe mana efe. Osalopo agwa afe tu afe. Arule yo oze. Odi ma wenu emu aoji mwina. You understand? I believe you're working hard, but in a very easy way. Where no ya stress you understand? I beg. If you know say you don't above 35, you know they check your BP. I use God to beg you to. Some people do have BP because they have heart problem. You understand? They do have BP because they have heart problem. Some people they have BP because they have stress. You may have stress of boyfriend, you may have stress of children, you may have stress of husband or whatever. Okay, boyfriend in order, I guess the stress you wear, because I have a boyfriend, ni boom, ni moto yakin. If you see 100 men single for outside, have it in your mind that 95 of them, or maybe are working pure, or maybe na they be. Sometimes we they carry the way. You understand? We not the look and say, this man, as he find so, or as he do this one, he they work. Why is still there for outside? We not they look at like that. Oh. We not they look at amana corner. I want. We not they look at like that. Where why they like that? Many of them, 95 of them, oh me. Good morning, my darling Friday. Oh me. So you need to be very careful. This woman just there outside. Sometimes she don't have character. Or maybe which is they are not ready. They are just ready to use. Some women still they really get the heart. They don't get time. You understand? Yeah, while you sometimes transport fare, whatever. Or zap, we will get. So is the both side. So all we need to do is we have to be very, very careful. And when you are in a very stressed relationship, what said they were where you lay. You understand? So please and please, partition because one do with PP or it can not take a best friend working and take a replacement away. That one I confirm. One stress was a lobolobo war. Manager Modima stress ye must have no yeti that one I know Martin. Good morning. How you day? Saloba no yeti ba Martin. And one more stress on Saloba always do the can uday. And a BP no said na wari obolele BP na a BP of kidney. Yes. A BP was destroying the body sugar big kidney. Age like you control your sugar, you control your sugar, you control your BP. Very, very important. Sugar also can give you kidney damage. The safety BP will give you kidney damage. They tell you now, not be lie. You can ask your doctor, please. And a BP will get high, but it can cause you stroke. It can cause a stroke. It can cause stroke. It can cause a strange headache. It can knock the person down. Boah! Oh wow! It can make some of them sleep and never wake up. Especially if you be person with get body. You understand? And you can't feel say, oh, you do ya with me ya. You be person, you know, all day don't they come. You just they do back. No. Sometimes you take it easy. Take it easy. Especially if you know concern in winere uwari eri oto kosu wugare ne enatana ata. Thank you, my darling. Enatana ata. So you take it slowly. But I beg at this period of time now. I call now not they see me for Facebook because I'm really busy. Are you getting me? I did very, very busy. Where I got a lot to do. A very, very lot to do. Okay? So, and also, there is another thing. If you're based in is Belgium, everything done they change on my people. To apply for Belgium passport, it's no longer 150 euro again on my people. It's now 1,000 K. Hey, 1,000 euro. Be like saying, so they say UK still they pay 1,000 euro. Now to apply for Belgian nationality is 1,000 K. E July na no gbera na eje na yan mo ejo. Imemi ni ga ake. My people, mete we next year no God there was a day where they do live video. Somebody write and say they say from next year say na 1,000 euro. Now they say they want put. My dear, they don't put out. Now July now they pass the law. 1,000 K from 150 euro to 1,000 euro. According to Winnie Agmeyo, where every year increase, maybe we buy 1 year 10 euro be buy, yeah, 20 euro buy. That is according to what I heard. Egbena woman. My body just soak like a dodo. All the same, why here ye way? Egbo akambi ho you like ta ye way. Are you getting me? So for those of you who is planning to go and apply for your Belgian nationality, Erima give me is from 150 euro to 1,000 euro now. That's so it be. Sometimes they know they put out for go. Because sometimes if you click Google, now old price, now you go see. So the main place to get the final result is to go to their website. If you enter the website, you will see the real amount. The real amount is in their website. If you click on for Google, most time in Belgian information is the old law or whatever. You understand? Old law or whatever. Like now, you want to invite someone from Nigeria now. You feel see for that, say any amount you are receiving or 1,000 euro. No, if you go to their website, inviting someone from Nigeria is now 1,700 or something euro. You understand? So you can just check it or you get this information from CAW. I be COW. Is it not CO? Not be CAW, no. CAW. You can just get information from them. Okay? So that is it. How to get information and not just add anywhere, any part of country where you did. You want to get information or your telephone number of any whatever of any information where you did look for. Just write that country. Pero ta bana mi agwale number so we Spain ya pero ta yibana igwale so number we Spain. Ma understand iwala o yeti wala very na we assistant social in Musia iwagbe district in the agwale yo e number ya wa vela there. So very easy. Hence you know how to read and write. You can just write it and pick the number and get information you want to get. Okay? So information also reach it to me ibe Musia. And I will make that call across to Musia later when I finish this my video. Ben, where they Victoria before. Where they Victoria, where they play people money. All the name we with business in a video. Ben ya we Musia, ben gijeo. Ben berage Musia. If you Musia wani with business, why you go job? But I will send the picture later across to Musia. Katahina is also Musia. Molina is also Musia. It's like Loka is also Musia. So that Moko na no go for your hand do. You have a friend of ye sank baby. We a son of friend with a mother with a single mother with 3. My sister, be careful. La go me la. Be careful la. They said they date one woman now for Musia we get 3 children. Then they say Ben. Maybe you say what they go off any with ye ne. Enya what dating now. E Musia enya what gije enya what locate ade Musia. Wahala will be careful. My sister, where they friend down. You feel friend down, that will not be problem. No follow and put on for any business. So you get wife for Nigeria. Now with your wife, they play the 419. No follow Ben, where they Victoria before. No follow and do any business. So my sister, anybody where get picking, you the friend boy. No gboma ba me mien e boy no fie wajo e boy no gbe centro e boy no ri huego uga ijo mo no menwan e ri o bojo because e body I mean am e bogbe anybody no oja ike we no won money nwe ga gbe won we ma we gbe o si opo me wo we me ero. Good morning my darling Sonia. Opo me wo we why you dey my love and my children happy weekend. Opo me wo we me ro igwas you body me down wa. Any man where you know say he dey thief, whether you dey marry your husband dey thief, you dey friend your husband dey thief, he dey do 419. Run no, not put your hand do. Egwe we dey so na mo bo, egwe oba we the business of kawe no ma be get you pejo. I mean akan ya mu e ogun gbe imote Dangote in akan ya mu gbe wa ege chele Dangote rokpa imote ge chela e me break Egbegege emote Dangote agbin owa agbin afo I ogwi mote Dangote eyin akin amugbe ya imugbe ne we no support eru ave grabu be u ba collect wo we ven wa ya collect wo because we beg go man na someone and no beg ogbo baba le nyoma. If you support that person in any way you will collect from inside. Who collect we e ba ma we take answer Uba collect bugwe kose masoro yin amwebogbe yin amwebogbo we kenoja ike e so safe yin we va pokin aga la egbe keso wa no riri ala me na pe mahwe. I'm telling you guys, don't support anything evil. If you the friend woman, you marry wife, you say asoga idebi kwene oga momo ma go no kwa de ke no na gbin abae oh fear for one night brother get your bojo edi your bojo keju wen we no wan. Don't support the woman for no reason. Without God, my darling. Don't support her in case. I I'm telling you, some people they have habits of collecting something from somebody. Okay, no wahala, my love. Are you getting me? So please and please and please. Anybody where don't they do evil, not follow and put hand do. Any man you the friend that you know, you can't look and say oh you know, you can't look and say oh you know, you can't look and say na 419, you can't look and say na betrayer, and you can't involve in anything at all. Not put your hand do. So if you make her understand, say if you put her for anything, I beg go solve her by yourself. Except if you want to help the person, you can help the person. Either maybe by advice or by financial. Finish. Say me you can't talk say ebogare because a man so raw. Unwega wegbe, unwe anywhere maybe no yakbe, cause that dog or maybe no yegbe yako. Some people not they be thief. Iya wa maybe niya wa yegbe yako, but ete boy can't be out. Anybody know your body or iye-eki because a pay man no if you go bungbe. E man de pay silver body or egbe no so palo your egbe ya bungbe So, are you boy, my sister, la wo. You met it when I will learn because me can me are no way help me or what we was to say, but be careful. Oh yara, ge yara. Eki ani riere wa we kiani ebode. Cause again I waje na wa here. Anybody na here take be kind. Oho na here. Emo oge banas. Awa here on time. Okay, but be careful. No yale lojilo there. That's just another thing for inside. Okay, my people. So back to where we are going, my people. As I call the waka they go, you get one of our brother, whether a Nigeria person, I don't know. It can't they go Ghana from joint to joint. Una know say if one Hausa people, also ya the baluhuni. If you Hausa will be Muslim, we to say they no tradition. They still they do human trafficking. The boy video they always they look on. And you they always they hear say na madam carry akon. Who be your mother na Hausa person? Who be your mother? The funny part of the carry all those who get go Ghana go do olosho business. That will not be the problem. The more problem now, all those girls, they just chant to Igbo, yeah, was Igbo. They don't they smoke, not big, but that's where they made the zo. Eyagi wasi. Eh? Eyagi wasi. In many occasions now, before the author say, in your money, if you do the magina me wogi, my way, if you do with human trafficking, yeah, we be a dog, be a gag, go on, or the fatigue, wobe. A wobe, betty my yes, fununu. A wobe, wetty my fununu. It's just that we man, if you do my body, I told my yagunu. My body, I eat in there, small food, what we would do. Now, small we take the do, we just not about ourselves. Now, make what they call the toss, say, if you do, that was when you ogi man, if you do, Jimmy Noria. Me, what another country they do, make I play one video for now. If you see this girl, all it once was. I was really touched with it. Have me a baby, Yanana. Eh? I bet more couldn't listen.
How are you?
Cool.
You are cool.
I'm not fine.
Huh?
I love you, sweet mother.
You love who?
I love sweet mother. My sweet mother.
What is your name?
Joy.
Joy, you are from where?
Yeah, I'm Benin girl.
Which side of Benin are you from?
I'm Benin girl.
Where are you from in Benin?
You know me?
You know me.
Oh.
How long are you here in Ghana?
1 year.
1 year. Who brought you to Ghana?
Somebody brought me to Ghana.
Are you your madam or who?
I have madam. I balance.
How much you balance?
I balance 1 million for Nigeria money. It's not easy.
The woman, which tribe she be?
It be Yoruba woman.
Yoruba woman.
Yeah.
Now the year and no Yoruba said they do the thing.
Yoruba
Why
Hausa.
got the what happen with the journey like this? Huh? Why they happy like this?
I'm happy because it's not easy to balance 1 million for Nigeria money.
No, clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for
Don't
yourself.
smoke. I seen it.
So this man, how is it to you? Come now, I never come. Hey, everybody go. Come. Yeah, you come. Wait.
Why is not for police information?
Come, wait.
Why? They go be to you. What's up?
Come. But calm down. Well, is it your wife? Come, wait. I want to ask you.
Oh, she's my wife. I'm the one who's pitching for her. I don't want her to
You got wife?
do that fucking work. That's why I'm pitching for her.
Okay, I'll be the one taking care of her.
Yeah.
Wife, come now. Wife, come.
Like I said,
Come on. Just come. Why you where they go? This one, you know there is no man they take care of you. Come, don't close that. What is your name? What's your name?
I'm Paris.
Paris, you
My name is written over there.
okay. No, he said, sorry, he said it there for you.
She tattoo my name.
Let me see your tattoo. Let me see your tattoo. Let me see this one.
The girl don't they hide to the extent self. The Ghana boy with the friend down. He go now he draw in name. The boy na Paris something like that. Paris na be name. So the boy say na house he don't want to make it. The girl they do olosho business again, and the girl still they do. The girl they be like say they smoke. They don't know whether like drink. They call drink. Alolo.
Sir. Recently tattoo.
Okay, see, don't zoom out. Which was your name there?
He don't scratch
My
the
baby, not me.
No, you born for him.
No.
I'm purposely.
Where you born? You're picking where you did.
We don't Nigeria one. My daddy na soldier.
How come you say you draw your name for him? But how many years you and she done there?
I stayed with her about 2 years, 6 months.
How many years?
2 years, 6 months.
3 years.
2 years, 6 months.
2 years, 6 months. But she said now 1 year she don't take Ghana yet.
She lied.
She lie? This man say you lie. Say you don't pass. Say you don't date 2 years.
Carry your problem, go. You mad? Carry your problem, go. I'm go buy him food.
So you love her?
I'm go buy
You love
food.
her?
I love her. That's her.
She don't born
Love
for you.
me.
She don't know.
Yeah? But sister, how far you like this Ghana where you there?
No, daddy.
You
My
want
madam there.
your madam? You want to go back to Nigeria once a year?
Yes, I want to go back to Nigeria for December.
Okay, but if you see opportunity to go now, you will go.
Yes, I'll go.
I beg you, people. Beg your people. Speak your language. Tell them. Beg them.
They see how this girl every morning.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You see, I say people don't they testify. Come.
Every morning. Oh, nobody.
People don't they testify. Say that this guy they take care of you.
Me, Daddy.
Nigerians want to appreciate this guy. You know, they take care of this. Edo people. They know make power that we are the test speaker. This brother, tell them your mind.
Thank you, my brother, Paris Charlie. What you say?
What your sister is doing? I don't know. Look at me. I was asleep. I was asleep.
Why you calling your bag from her?
I need to handle because look at
My pikin. Sweet mother.
You dey miss your mama.
Hey. Sweet mother.
What do they take?
I love you.
What do they take? What do they take?
Sweet mother.
Striker.
She's
Sweet
crying.
mother. I love
They take
you.
crack.
I don't forget you. When you suffer from
When I will wake up.
Sweet mother.
How many minutes?
She's crying.
Sweet mother.
What about there?
Sweet mother. I
Good
love
morning,
you. Sweet mother.
my darling
I'm not gonna
Peter.
forget you. You suffer for me.
You go to
For
work.
everything what you do for me.
Child.
Sweet mother.
Child.
I'm not gonna forget you.
Oh, child.
I will.
You don't go forget your mama.
Oh, sweet mother,
Your
don't
mama
be
dey alive.
tired.
Your mama dey alive.
Amen.
Your mama dey alive.
Sweet mother, my daddy day.
Your papa dey.
Sweet mother,
Child.
I love you.
This year, so they come out for my they go do it. I really for there are many where there are many. If you go this guy page, there are many where. There are many where. Yeah? Just carry them go Ghana to the extent say may they go they pay 3 million. Ake do kwoni even get Ghana here sa we get Ghana here. Yeah, ke work with 3 million they before, but they go finish you. I don't understand. If na Europe you want carry you go, if na so far not be grand. You feel go. If you na see person we want carry on say na flight you want carry you go. If you tell you say okay, if you don't reach maybe some people the day you go do as a level a BRO. Baby you na re BRO. No my job, my feel bo my feel we. You go no when we any ori ne. I no my job was at the day agbesi. Pay effort ne just like for example ne must be big again 10 years or 7 years so my ye. Some of them not pay at all. Why some go use 7 years, 8 years pay finish? You where they do normal job also. You can easily use this also to pay. You they work now, you find better place where you they work, you they receive like 1,500. You carry half of the money, you give person where carry you con the half of the money where they may or maybe 1,500, you give them 500. You pay your house rent, you eat. You will still save another 200 or 300 for your own pocket money. You can do that also. I don't know, I just they talk like that. I said of to go to Ghana. Why now? Why? It's not good though, not good. I beg. Those people where they do and where they traffic, all those people from Nigeria to Ghana, I beg. It's not good. Mo couldn't stop her. They couldn't stop her. All those Yoruba people. I see one yesterday, also for this guy page. I don't know whether I go for entire page now. A lot of them like that. Get many one where I don't see. Another, I still see one pregnant woman for your page. Pregnant woman where I see. I don't know whether I be this one.
What's your name?
My name is Wendy.
Wendy. What's your son name?
My real name.
Your son, your family name.
My family name.
Share the video, my people.
My real name is Linda Imelda.
Okay, Linda Imelda.
Yeah.
Okay, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Aquarium.
What part of Aquarium? Stand closely. What part of Aquarium?
I was born in at the border, Cameroon.
Okay. Is it Bakassi Peninsula?
It's got Bakassi Peninsula.
But where is your village? Like, if I want to come your hometown, where?
Yeah, I'm from this place, Aquarium.
Okay.
Straight.
How long have you been in Ghana?
I've been in Ghana for like 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
What brought you to Ghana?
I came with one of my guys brought me here. He got me pregnant and he left me.
How do you bring you from Nigeria? How do your guy bring you from Nigeria?
Because my father don't want me to date him. So my father don't want me to date him.
Okay.
So he decided we should come together here. So when we came,
Can't find one like that where you get belly.
What will be your name?
it's John.
Joy. What will be your son name?
John.
Joy John. Where are you from?
Kaduna.
Where in Kaduna?
Niger State.
Where in Niger State? Huh?
Hausa.
Which village you come from for Kaduna?
Niger State. Go.
Niger State. You go get village where you come from now, your community.
Asaboro. Mina.
Mina.
Yeah.
Okay. Where you grew up?
Okay.
How long you done the Ghana here?
2 years.
2 years. What you carry you come Ghana?
Your madam carry me from
Madam. Your madam na which tribe?
Igbo.
Igbo. From which state?
You
You don't know her state. How much you pay her?
This one see it. The girl na Hausa. Obi Hausa be gbashawo enyarinya. Obi gbobe mo ate. You see. So all those people they carry they come. So you know see with the Edo people my more bobo ye. You see except ni nyi ho ni ro pa ofo. Obegi abe tribe no gidu na. They know they call it they call it. And all those people they feel they do all those abroad. Oh, because say we don't a general language for everybody, including or everyone. So who don't speak maybe it be Urobo, it speak Bini, I will be a donevio, memio obi boneno was a do ta. You see, they will come say obi dono. So mani do. Right from time mama a business in a mama wabo bo we be just that. 18 any another ya fun now fun ni we fun here fe. Ayaka we you see all those trouble they don't make sure so. A dog woman never did we carry they go trafficking. No. The other one just an Yoruba person carry and go. This one an Igbo carry over Usago. Do you understand? I should get belly.
I can't take
She dey even the smoke. Jonah.
Okay.
Give me when I come. She not tell me say I can't do street normal.
Say not tell her.
What did she tell you?
You just tell me if I come, she will take care of like it get very busy to talk to you, say your mind will dig with you. Frustration for Nigeria make me going for my community.
You take coach?
No.
You don't take coach?
When I come, I run, say, which can set me up, catch me, say, last.
Okay, and I get agreement of how much you will pay.
I don't know, she not tell me anything.
Like,
she not tell me from Nigeria, she not tell me like something like that.
How you can't take the pay and weekly or you give them every day?
Every day. It depends how much work, how much per week.
Okay. Like how long you last for her hand?
I don't reach like a month, say. 6 months.
Okay, now just like a month you pay her. So since then now you do on your own. Okay, so how you get belly? I say you get belly.
Yeah,
how
I
you
get
take
belly normally. I meet some Ghana boy. For me, you know, say I don't know. Get Ghana, dear me, I don't know. So you get some guy will say they ask me normally. I give for last, I can't get belly. So wow, please, no, you do abortion.
Okay.
Make I live. But the guy shy, they try small.
Okay, the belly how many months?
7 months.
7 months. Okay. So you get any handball for Nigeria before you come in?
They do tell her before.
Tell her. You don't do freedom.
Frustration. You make me confused.
Your mom and dad, they are alive.
Everybody, they are alive.
And they are alive. When last you hear from them?
I did hear from them. Even like last week, say, me and them they talk.
But then, okay.
They don't say I will get belly.
They know your condition.
They know.
Okay, they know.
For me, I know they hide anything from them. They know.
Okay. So which you they take? Which substance you they take?
Yeah, they smoke weed, they smoke.
Come closer, you are going far.
Smoke daddy.
They take crack.
No, I don't feel like.
They take ice.
Wait
now.
Ice.
No, you go.
I know they take ice.
They take ice. Okay. So how is your life on this street now? Do you like your life here? What is your
I know.
She dey smoke Igbo and cigar with pregnancy. My people, as I see this thing, I say, Salo Boame. agbona wo ya heti e baba ne baba. Agwen wage you with me. Why home? Okay, which kind of money you can't look for now? Carry innocent person, you not tell and say waiting you go can't do. Now some madam still doing those years. So go carry the con, they not tell them. When you measure, they told they tell me say waiting and one can do. But madam no lie for no reason. Some people they say their madam not tell they say see waiting they want can do. At the end of the day, they can't they face another whatever. Anyway, you where they carry con. We know you know say you not go school, you not get fabrica this thing or whatever. You're supposed to know that any country you are going to, anything can happen. Say what. That's just it. Any jungle where Gama find itself, you go take on like that. Anybody's supposed to know that. But not this era now. They know they carry them, they go abroad again. Now Africa country they can't carry them, they go either Cotonou or before all the days ago they use Cotonou, but now they don't use Cotonou again anymore. They are now using Ghana. That is what they are using now, and it's very bad. A boy and all those girls now they are doing all those things without protection. They are doing it without protection. Look at this one now. Yeah, mweko you are born and I don't get belly. Say now one Ghana man I give him belly. Say now one Ghana man I give him belly. You see my people. So I really feel for this girl anyway. I really feel for her because she carry belly. May God help her. Help that picking with the innocent baby with this side belly. She don't almost due 7 months. Now she did. So my people, this is the reason I did this video this morning. I don't know why some people still they do this human trafficking. All those small get where they carry they come. Police not they Ghana there. If they carry you come the same you go do all the social business, just carry they go give police. Sick now. That's what they be. You supposed to say the time when me come say my madam not tell me say see waiting and what do. As he carry me come, I no go give her money, I'll go report her to police. That's what it just be. Or at here boy, me because of matter mommy. Do you understand? But me I not feel like but madam tell me I know waiting and what can do. So for that simple reason, even our time that time, they know they hide them. Even our set up that as we take the consent, majority of them sleep with trolley. They sleep with trolley. Trolley we want carry us come that time. You go the one may sleep with any. You get one trolley with the one carry me come. That was 96 abi. 96 abi 97. Now it be one carry me come. Because I don't sleep with her. I can't do there. Oh, many of my madam get way pass through there come. Because they carry there. I can't tell my madam sister. My madam sister say, "We no gualo ne. Ina we devi no gualo. We kone ne. Ina we akone ama no say you go there. You had to pay 60 million. Mega gi kone ye. Ama no say here. That means you kone for free of charge. Ama no say he go ni me had to pay there. We show free okawa awene for free. The ogele no. Cause we say, but me had to call the tomatoes. Make a wake bear ekpo koson. Na so I not give out. Is that pe na pabaniri? You can't be saying a true Cotonou now we can't pass and all that way. A lot of that time they grieve for trolley na gili waya inya koboko waya. Okay. Good morning, my darling Dominion. How you day? How my baby? Well, happy weekend. But I know they do again. I beg. Okay. So that is by the way. And all those things they are doing now, maybe they are not using protection. Now only God can't save them because all those who get and other secretariat infection, a lot of them, they many way. You understand? Even some people where they are abroad safe, they know they use protection. Especially most of our black men, they don't use protection. They don't use. If you ask them to use protection, they will say they want to marry you. That is the reason they are not using protection. If it's not a flirt person, if maybe the boy not the flirt or the woman not the flirt, not be say problem be there. But you say if you can't be saying a person where they flirt, protection is really needed. It's really needed. Very, very needed because protection is very, very needed. The attention of condom is very, very, very needed. Because everybody is just the putter for HIV. Not be only HIV. Did you know that when your partner have malaria, common malaria, if your partner get malaria, you as a woman, your husband get malaria, Una do kere wawa together. Your husband fit give you malaria. You as a man, your wife get malaria through duduvaga. Una fit contact that malaria to each other. Yes. Some people, they don't still know that you can contact malaria through iye-eki. They don't know. Say true, they want to use banana to chop groundnut, you can contact malaria. Some people don't know it, my people. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Say they will contact her. You can contact common malaria through sex. Yes, you can contact it. And also there is hepatitis C, there is hepatitis B, there is hepatitis A. Syphilis day. Okay, you get one infection where a doctor tell me say it day. I go ask him. When I visit my doctor again, I will ask. I don't know the name of the infection, but I will ask him. He go get name. He say na me. He say if me get that infection, you know they do the anything because they pour out. Or we are na to equani even no we nyai. Be nya aye you wek bohu. Oho na amu o manare de hen or we are block a womb. Or block a bit you bini ya fe or I gwalo mo ire mi omo bie. Yes. I don't know what it they call about na doctor na itebe. You know where matter where yes. You see only a fashion of wigby. Ona keke no ma be careful. If we also na ya me no, ya wa me for the very first time. You don't know the woman before. If you want just don't worry lie direct entrance. Because say the woman fine. Or because say the woman may rob and I make you want to one like that. No, you not fit use that one to look camel. Even the people will get the Asia enemy. Now you can't get body pass. Now they move pass. Now they may rob pass. They're not the messiga. Now because say Nigeria those years they know they take the medication. Maybe on your kwe we answer fe gbe mi amon we ya ko mi abeto wa mu giagbe na ma bebo isi ame. That was our mentality. What would they Nigeria? What would they grow? They come. If you see anybody we mo piaga we to wa mu giagbe. Eri matabe Nigeria be gani. I remember when I did get, now so we they assume that time. If you destiny, you destiny, person will come look say, Okawa make by the end of the day, you do ye piaga. Even now assume in neck here again, I will to one with me. I will to one more giagbe. Oh, again, I'm not vision and money more giagbe, I yet tele buse. The robust pass another thing. Yeah, yet pofty. Except maybe area medication. Because that medication, whether they give, they made they arrange their blood. That medication, they boost many things where they be lacked before for their body. So they make them, they move, look that they, like, really make that they robust. So that is the reason everyone need to be very, very careful. As a man or as a woman, we need to be very, very careful. Yes. Because if you like bena egboma, okay na even na kaya iwe because I do are boy egbe be oni bana do like bena bana e na tanata again I tell you who we do who value akotario e degba saba egboma we no ya meje na ni amo egbe be be oni hey me I miss owo we na we me able we yare wa kota na we ni wa kota yare be the other day because I not be medication fast at all. So that is it, my darling amazing people. So the reason I'm just asking why some people still they do human trafficking at this stage. Why? Although I still blame all those young girls where they know they carry their go give police. Or no one more for free. Or one more for free. Except one more agreement. 30,000 euro when or you know we go to a true document. A benio ya money no job ya banasi we yes, it's possible. Why not? If I saw you do na we have more we no do gbugbe agia. Here mark bebe ni ajari. You get one of my mama for Italy no do lo shosho. You na working oh ya asale madam oh ya pay. So everybody not be the same. This one. Hello. Good morning. We thank God that may I help you, please. Eh? Baba. Donny Kukwan. Jolly baby, yeah. I wish you disappear. Can't you be na? What is dinner? We are equivalent. We might say yeah. We might there. We may want you pay for do. You may want you pay for you do. Walk back. Le go name man. Osalobo adeba we woni. De gui mo. De gui my brother. Gui. Ono na iwa he accept. Ona agi egwe he have say no name ma. Wa guma gui ko. Ogene mata no. Ti mi ami ugwa. It's just that you what day busy. But no ba nakpa we lo ye no ba we calling abi. Ma go me de less busy than the we go dey mama we be talk yourself. But e gbe na be kana sha. Okay, ma ya te we dey gbe. Ya te we dey gbe ba. So that is it, my darling, amazing people. So some people just the thing say, hey, I want to, no, especially men where they shoot for you, you don't trust them. Now so woman still dey, we know they stay for one place. Now the both sides. But some people say if they don't, they take their medication. I don't. Somebody like me, I don't believe in that. You don't. You not go when me person can't use your one. Don't you wear your damn be very only okay, protection ni kawaro ne. Do you understand? In fact, okay, se fakele ligbe. Ayaka awe testing is very important because me mana like bena boma. Akwe be doria be do ami oji me. Are you getting me, my darling, amazing people? Protection is very important. Okay, protection is very, 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 very important. So that is it. I have to call it today now because I'm still going to do a lot of things. Okay. So please, so come and support Mommy Suzy Suzy. Buy Hollandis for me. My Hollandis is 100% cotton. I know they sell Igbe Wija also. And although for your pretty J Snow White. Please, so if you see some more people where there, we get a sunburn. It's not because someone is bleaching. Not be only bleaching, they make person, they get sunburn. So people do get sunburn because of they have a very, very tough skin. The skin, they very, very light, way. You understand? Some people get stretch mark. Not because of bleaching. I get stretch mark. It's not bleaching. I don't bleach. Stretch mark, now two things I observe for my family. Negbe na hini. Where if you get mark, it will be like say, I don't know what they call it for English. You can't swell up. Okay? We get that for our family. And stretch mark. Now, evil people will black for our family self. Like me now. Me, I get stretch mark. My daki son, he gets stretch mark for Ikibi. Ma. He not the bleach. Now, so my son dark, like the very dark man. Black, you know. Or dark. My son not fair at all. A very dark person. But he gets stretch mark. I mean, stretch mark Ikibi. He gets. Now, man. My husband gets stretch mark Oibo. He gets. But you know, say they will not quit the show. If you want to know, say stretch mark not be say now. Because a person they bleach, just write down for Google. Boy, I have example when we say phenomenon stretch mark and true. We both get stretch mark. Now because of expanding of body, that they cause some person with fat. He say no more traffic. They say they do. You just they come now, Samori. You just they come, I just they play video now. As they take they do one, they carry our guests, they go Ghana, go they do a local business. So that is the latest one they are doing now. They carry our guys, they go Ghana, go they do a low show. I just played 2 videos now. One I Isha get from Uromi. Percy we sponsor and a Yoruba woman. Another one from Hausa. Na Hausa get. She even carry belesef. Na Igbo woman na sponsor am. They are still doing it, eh? They are still doing it. I'm telling you. They are still doing it too. Odoni ewa wege na local leak ya gi pa viajo na. And all those local leak na odoni mi ameta na wak pose. Because egbo ni awe di odoni ni ya ya awe ne ni na gbe roba or ya ma use protection ne ukun agboro odoni ni all those kind stuff be oni me ya o. Not because of say agbe ni gbe age. No dey agbegbe age o emeru we but the thing or we now where if there is not enough protection for inside or wa mu bani or wakpa or yakpa o ti lo phone. Ibani ya o bugwe. You understand? So in case if you have any family at home like your brother, your sister, if he's not doing anything, instead of him to go and do it, not do let just advise him or she to go and learn work. Or you understand? Very important. No ya we no bo. Or we no bo e cook stone. Even all those businesses that we una tabe learn, a business in we learn ki we are do ki egbo you go sabi and we. In when I were sexy, you understand? We are work here buwe. A care setting because was there who were trained, you are trained by it. So for that simple reason, you go know where. Who will know ya winner? I will provision of what we can have no. Ona ga ama no gele kwa do ke masoro wa de go na ya do ki at the end of the day story odo tamawe. The story odo tamawe cause yan de Nigeria yan kan wa ri go ge yan kan labish useless go ni yan kan do you know yan nyo we yan gba o ge ke de take any the reason anyhow they don't consider for anybody. Aboji no right be yan wa ni. They don't consider for anybody. Because in as what they think they can just come to you and knock on your dog and collect money from you, you know. They in Nigeria, they have mindset of taking advantage of people. They don't even care. So any or whatever any but do the one you can't. Or why you make a business, they never know just one business, we no power or guado doma guado saki or fune. Come I will no money business, okay? I saw the bill. Again, Nana wedi on here, very major if I person date me more or Viram of Yemen where or was in Nigeria where do all those things. The one I have here happy. Ya do a key, man, I go to a kidney, you know, so now so it be. Yeah, they support many. Like I fed they tell you, I can't say I go talk this thing. This thing, it talking man now a show now. Why una they always they tell person we carry iye-eki, we no carry iye-eki, come we person we born for Nigeria, we no carry iye-eki come abroad. Why una they always they talk and say, if you not see person they laugh, wamana maybe yagi or wawe, yago abaseti momore, why una get that? Some people are so daft. Why are you guys having that mentality? Somebody like me now look me say for why if I person come say I no go feel if I person come. Una look me like that. Say, for instance, I want to invite someone from Nigeria. Did you think I cannot invite anybody from Nigeria? Yeah? If you not they talk and sometimes say, Mama Suzy, if you keep Nigeria, you no carry a con. And no say the next say you wa me. Una know the reason where. Una know the reason where. Me I not fit tell person where get where they from abroad where they work where get document say you not fit carry iye-eki con. No. You don't know the arrangement between the person and the charge. By the way, people will carry their children. What did their children can do for them? What did their children can do for them? Out of 100 people will carry their children come this abroad with this so 80% of them they beat their mama, they fight their mama, they know they help their mother. That's just the truth. Some of them are responsible, 20% are responsible, not all. I say out of 100, 80% of them they are not responsible. That's just the truth. They don't even care whether their mama go chop or their mama no go chop. They know they care. 20% of us are there where we get more marry. Majority of them may me ni muri ni magi sendijia in. So what is the need? Say you carry a con omona Nigeria na de okay or we body okay or man the business Yeah, all the same thing. Like me, I was willing to carry my daughter come. She no want. Like, I use Ararete talk. I use Igbinate talk. On my buy. I can't talk. To the essay, I can't go to a length. I think it was 2019. We can't conclude, say, okay, as it day so. I don't want to come up for age again. I say, okay, make us still carry a con in another work. I radio. I'm not the way my way or we are not working. I said they go your account. So that I mean now they no me now my statement of account. Good morning, my darling. Good morning. No me a statement of account. I can't even force. I can't tell her many things. Can't agree. Say okay, you go come. I come from my bank transfer 2.5 million at 2019 transfer and go a bank. Last he not come. He not come. Or we here day. At the end of the day, one can't tell me for 2020, say no go fit. He say no go come. Or where carrying a hoy. He no want just come. He want marry. He want just face in life. You not go come again. Say no. Why you not tell me? The money we are even pay for the person we want we want help us do the visa and all that because he get we want user. The person money we are pay about 250,000 we are pay. He go need Ogbe. Tigo need be. Do you understand? Not be everybody don't want carry PK come. Me, I was willing to carry my daughter come, but she don't want. She don't want. If you now say, me with time we still the dragon. Say, okay, make a carry PK come. He say, lie. He not the green. So that's go come cause quarrel. He go say, I beg, madam. You never hold, you never enter many posts. Born your own pikin. If you want baby where you want the carry. Born. Go born another pikin. A live video na channel. So maybe if you come across my video, you normally not dey Facebook. Or maybe if you see person we go here, we go say there. If you when you move or marry, me I not they talk my own they hide. Now my pikin dey or me I not dey or me or go ma with me. Everybody dey who ask like madam, dey husband ask like madam. Me I dey my house, my own madam where I be. In fact, maybe the big madam. Talk less or say if I want to talk to my pikin, I call they use my hand to scratch my hair. Who does that? Thank you, my brother or my sister. I was willing to carry her come. He say he not they come. Me yigbina yatane, yezotane, yarare yatane. For where people where they around me, they know. Sometimes we quarrel put. Sometimes we are telling her 5 years, 7 years, 8 years ago. Come, you say no, so can't I'll block her. 6 months I not go carry her. It is a choice, yes. If they want to talk, they say, Suzy, or Suzy no mama over here. Also, me not go to pani bumba me. Because do what gele me. Or monak but I think yes, it's not my choice. Now I tell me and my children. It guys we take the day of our life. We demand our business. We don't control each other. You stay your space, I stay my space. That is how we live our life. Yes. I don't choose for that. They don't choose for me. We get where we interfere, where we talk, say, or maybe okay, that is where we are invited. Where we not invited, personal life issue, now everybody they carry you. If they bring it as a mother, put my own opinion. If my opinion can't, if it doesn't count, it's none of my business. That is just it. Or maybe I live a life in me, I don't know. And I'm believing it like that, it's just okay for me. Because I believe, control an adult. My daughter not be small picking you. Not be small picking you. When I tell you I'm small picky, the time when me tell you social media, it already different about that time. I want to 32 years. Imagine person where they born for 1993. You just say I'm small picky. When I tell you, okay, tell me about one another. Do what give me. If I not carry a con, what about it, papa? Papa not get document. If papa not they work. If papa not get document. If papa not they work. If father is working. If papa enter abroad 1999. Why ni bu why so why why yere Nigeria we da area we pona re pe na we po mama kpare me epe mom me epe 2005 era me epe 1999 year 2009 ka 1999 me la we pore 2 years era na la we po era me pe ori epe la we po epe sutarani he has been working no ya la we po. Good morning madali Bizubu, how you dey my love? If una dey talk as I just the look una. Maybe because she has that opportunity. She has a lot of, even if you thought say they come today, she have a lot of opportunity to come. Yes. That is the most reason say I know the man herself. And he just kukuma already self where he want marry. He marry better man will go fit take care of her. He not put eye for my money. He not day my house, he day your husband house. Anything will concern me, he not concern her for your husband. Everybody, he demand the business. I never give her business money where me and BECKY. No. I never give her, and I not go give her. I not go give her. She may call it yeah when I die, but she may call it I'm wicked, she may call it anything. I don't care. Osaloba no gato se we osaloba no gato osaloba ga me we maybe again no na anwate we no 3 years plus oga ye we la we bu we no gi nware ni oto pega ebu yin ma meje bo e ti agbonja you go leave. Do you understand? The only thing I have that me have ma clean ukpon when have ukpon no go drop when na when he kun na if you like I fit take, if you not take it the dash people it not concern me. I'm old. I'm not younger. I'm not getting younger every day. I'm getting old. I'm building my future. I will not live my old age. I will not live a liability old day like some of us. So I'll tell the reason why me, I don't live that kind of life. I am living in a life when I old. My passion will take care of my responsibility. Oh, now you have the days on the instead of you to go and work and build your passion, you are not building your passion. I am building my passion. Yes, so you pay for fire. I am building my passion. Thank God that the old European Union they use one computer. I'm working on it now. When I come when I speak like Belgium, they'll do everything together. Yes, they do it. They do it together. Calculate everything. That will be your income in future if you are passion. The money where you they work, the money where they come out. Now they gather your passion money if you don't know. So you will not work where they wait for passion if you don't hold. Me I go not arrive anywhere. Do get passion he make na to arrive anywhere. I have be. You think by open your mouth and talk to anybody the way you like, you think say you don't arrive. You arrive now because you think you can talk to anybody the way you like. But the ancient I have be. Again I yak your money I not go eater. There, I got your man away. Again, what a young one. Again, we have. That is the reason I don't answer a lot of people because me don't cross. If you do video, you send message, can't give me. I not can't give you. Not be say I not sabi talk. Not be say you not get waiting. I want tell you because I don't look. You say everywhere man ba the book of a book of me many yade. I won't me many bui wa vie ni aju way. We are way horu way. Iwa load day. That is the reason if they measure money, I don't answer them. Because when me as when you una do answer me, that means the same medication we ever take. Because we are not taking the same medication, we are not the same level, we are not the same category. You can own your life video and measure anybody that you want to measure. It doesn't affect me. It doesn't change anything in my life. Oh, we me na peace. A peace is social media, a peace in me. Agua. She is already responsible fellow. You understand? She just do her own business, they go, the man her business, they go. You understand? For instance, say I not carry a con or when I dey Spain. Don't forget, I have my document. I use my document for good 5 years before I locate come Belgium here. Before I come Belgium here, now me with the papa and I did the same house. If papa they work, I they work. If he thought say one come that time, 2 of us will get document. I get document. I built that for full 5 years before I enter Belgium here. I they work. If papa they work that time. They say oh we are again. I'm worried. I'm aware. I bet you go na me of man or easily my am worried. What mama said way. Mama said we better win a day. Omonore Nigeria no one be because the best life so far or live or ma suffer. Omono don't worry about $1. He don't worry. Maybe even ya women at herself. A boy where are the area ya maybe or ya I am in a because it was really small where I come out. She did 3 years plus where I come out. I thought the a way povena Nigena Nigbena or Hovena no Salobanaje, a Bename Kekevi and a Yanyaboya Jimena. I tell her for 1997, 28 years. A bebe way povena. Oh, we made don't worry. Again, lire, a yala wepo, again, an affair lire, a mass €1 Oh, we made don't worry about $1. We get dollar. But I can't $1 very, I can't $1 very ye. Yaziga school ne. Easy go school, no immediate nursery school. Nursery school. From nursery school to university level. I train now as the trade picking. Not be saying I go con. The best, the tribe as a mother, eagerly stand. Because every me vanos alobaya be me maya iye-eki for no reason. In my anything I was doing that time is always my children, 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 my children. I always put them in the front. I don't train them, they don't grow. Now it's all about myself. We do here the dinner, we do more liability for what? No, I don't do that. It doesn't work that way. I need to take care of myself. My own both self, I deserve and a very, very nice treatment. That is what I'm giving to myself. Beautiful one as that. Because it buys again, Nani. Do you understand? It buys again, Nani. So whatever I like, I do with myself. I don't carry anybody liability again anymore. No. It don't take where I stop her. Since where my picking born. I know they send money go they give her again since where he marry. That's just the truth. He said you have gave them a great lady. Thank you, my darling. Since we just marry, I know the send money again say okay, I work back with me 50,000, me 100,000. No, I don't stop her. Since I think I stopped it since 2020. Thank you, my darling Friday. I don't stop her. Since we just bring husband. Where John marry, now I stop her. I know they send money, they give her, say, where me, oh, imagine 20 there, my people. I know, Bible me, Jamie. Why, me, I know you buy only. Then me land like better than me, buy me, see. I will not fear because of anybody, because anything, no cause me, no, my cause anywhere, anything about my life doesn't affect you, your own doesn't affect me. Okay, I'm who I am. You understand? Yeah, I know, cut us in a million, I go, they send the gift, and never. I know the lie. Because me buy my okay, my buy me. You understand? Since we don't marry, I know they send that money again. Only thing we are going to do, that be this one. When you get below, we negi be I buy baby things when I can live there as a mother. I buy. Yes. When I was there, get I said, baby, need your mom you win. Now, me when you like presage, I said, be presage, your mom. I buy anything buyable. If you are to imagine there, maybe a party in your mom lower that day on your parking asset highway, there. My grandchild are not they use that one to play with. Now there they go so my darling. Huh. My princess when go my darling. She's very, very lovely. You understand? So then when she come, I can't buy those one. You know, when I work with my darling, I really buy what they come buy. Now what day. Me ye ma be picture ni me ya dala be baby things se for ye go me igele there ya se gbe towe white and pink baby wrapper white and pink if the bottle harvest mi ati ege ma ti ni harvest ni ne harvest yan se ti e no big go you no ben all those one so all those one buy am you not send anybody message I not send them I really buy. Ya say gbe gold na ya hayo. Ya say gbe e chain ni gbe ni e joge gold. I buy all those things. Ya say gbe Holland this na ya mwewo. I still get all those picture. E chain na gba yo bo oge gold. I buy am arati na airport. Emi ona ya hayo e pin. I buy am. Emi ona avio ye o ne be o e gari ne oge gold. I buy am. E Holland this na ya mwewo. I buy am. I really buy anything buy able. I buy. Even when it don't big, baby feel the bottle because if you make whatever, I take that one from me, mama. Even me ye Nigeria, but there you feel the bottle, still they carry feel the bottle when me go Nigeria that day. Obijon worry only in mama and my the other of my son. 3 years, I am with feel the bottle say 3 years. You understand? So those one I really did it. But waiting I can't they do now. Na I be say a month I go send something go give my grandchild. Ire biscuit. A birthday. I go send money give a mama. I go send go give. Because they celebrate their birthday now 5 days now they different for their birthday. So they do it together. They are born in the same month. 5 days or day extra or day different. You understand? Man, I don't get time. Me, I be person where not they take anything that have to do with nyaga, anything that have to do with nonsense. I don't take it to. Now, only my goddaughter way this pen, I go fit talk camo. None of unai. Even the boomer get me yawe me here. Do you understand? If guess or can't they go talk to me, if I look and say the way they talk and not like, I go just block him. I no get time. Now my picking, I know, I love her, I know. But nonsense, I don't take it from anybody. No, I just say enough is enough. I bet you owe me a day my own. No, not try am. I don't want to give me. I cook better. No try am. Tell your day. No, I not the take out. What's your bonnet? You are more in Nigeria. Even a weapon, you are going to get you work but I take care of my own children. So that's the reason I will not take any nyaga. Ever swallow the momo carry weapon or do I put your granny how? What did they build that one? If I carry any pick you talk to me and you go stay your whole house. In fact, me and you no go stay the same territory. There you all me and them I like me bog yes. Even so my better organize here. Because once a month no more now want to know we can automatic call you via attack me. All those children where they see so none of them get respect. Gone are those days no hana go ma vijima go. Upon no when I je no kia je gba ma ye di give ma ye di gijima. Eme soro ni jimi ata me mo so no me gbe baba because me I not control wetin dey offensive. Baby e kana me na ya kiara no gugwe kwan ya gba oga iye-eki na so e dey be. O gba yaji. Na all has na ide. All of them. Myokpa ya zokpa. Kere tine. Eya ya segbe. You understand? So they even so when their mama carry call this abroad, they follow their mama, they fight. They beat their mama. I don't hear many, I don't see many. They fight with their mother, they disrespect their mother. See, you know, say sometimes, if I see picking now with their mama get problem. I know they interfere because of mommy iye-eki. Iyan worry back for here, already back there. If they get some kind of my picking go do me something, I go block her 6 months, we not go talk. That when I not say I be person we get pepper body, I not be person we get all cool temper. Then I be yafianya gbe me and my picking not the quarrel. That they say we not the quarrel. Even me and my mama with the quarrel. Just that me and my mama quarrel not the reach somewhere get knocking. And say maybe my sister do me something. I see say my mama they take side. Now I go verse long. But say for instance, say me and my mama just get a misunderstanding. We dog pan or the other day we don't see they call each other because we not just get maybe na small tekere argument. But at the end of the day, you know, sometimes see no face maybe you not come here for me, you still call me. You understand? That's how it be. But if you can't give me an year very honey, a most sort of vision are to say country I took many day. Many. It do. So because I'll say person not contact you come out, you come the say na your worst pass. E mati jesu na yazakon. O mari ogwe for anu yari ogere no figure money. When I be maybe beleka de vero na, ni be really expect no say ya can gbe na no say ya. Yen gba ogije kana so they still they do to their mama. Anybody not setting and not your body, no so and when get your tear body, no pure. That is just it. If you like to take it, if you don't like, don't forget about it. It's not my business. The truth has to be told. Them at attack. But if you can't become mama say your picking, can't be like say if they do sime one kind, say one play pass the boundary. The only thing to do, there is no need for you and now. When I call the bunch way, there is no need when I come to the fight. Just a coron. Just a coron. Stay away. Let her make day, you make day. You after all, you don't do a care, you don't do a care. You don't born, you don't born. You don't say you with a day the same level. Oh yeah, the again. Time we go tell miss you as a mother, it will come to you. You will realize a mistake. You understand? If you not realize it, my picking no say my blood they hot anyhow. You know. You know say jinye or horse or wine. You know say anytime we tell you anything, pien. Me they could block. Yes, so or no saloma kunya na imi sakwe. Never. I know they open now. I'm just giving awareness to you people where to feel where now your own bad pass, or you will carry picking corner your own better pass, or you will not carry your own corner your own. No, mama, especially if they don't be gay. If be well, I'm more this is where they talk, so we just start like this. You will get daughter where they grow, they come. See where they take the start on. First and foremost, if you get makeup bag, they'll go where they put your makeup. They follow you, the dragon. Okay, your shoe, that they wear the same shoe with you, but where you make back, they follow and they drag your shoe. To the go see me, but a butter now, we buy egg by me, butter, or we jar. Why not go wear your shoe? If I your case, you go wear drag me, Itala go and you talk, or go drag. You understand? Not be everywhere. No, me, for instance, now, I feel keep gold now. I feel give my mama now. I'll say, take this gold, hold on. I fit to say my mama hold on, but I no go feel give my pikin gold make it me whole. You try. You hear me? Any gold where I give her, you know say that gold. What it don't go. You not go return back again. I return her back. You understand? You not go return her back again. Because if the feel say able that my way. You see her? But if my mama give her something, may you owe. Beg you know if you don't, you know if you don't to your papa. I zap on not just the give so. You understand? So if you don't get picking, now picking will go responsible. Now you go responsible. It's not because you bring your picking, whether na boy, you know me say na your picking get picking now they talk or boy picking or no. If it be boy, if it be gay, if you go responsible, you carry a come abroad. You go responsible. If you go responsible, you dey Nigeria. You know, you go responsible. My pikin don't know say easy and I stand by my words. But Miss Suzy, since when your pikin start a business, you don't send money go give her. My people are not send go give her, and are not be told. You maybe ya go I understand. Night the first time you kata where iye-eki. Good morning, my darling. How you doing? Good morning. Iye-eki. The reason we are not giving, we are not go give her. She know me, I know. I not go give her. Because she get my money where she collect, where she see the shop to pay, or my UFO. I not go give her. But we they play. Yes. I love her. Oh, yes. If I see fighting, I go buy, I go give her. Why not? I go buy, I go give her. I know they buy, I go give people where I don't know for Nigeria. Yes, so I go do her. Do you understand? I am still punishing her for the money we fetch chop. My yefo me only me ya ye me I feel open, I feel give you time, I feel give you space, we feel play, I feel use everything to play with you. But if you take advantage of that thing, you are abuser on your phone. Eri be any friendship me eri oba ye like I said that day iya the Nigeria go behave iya give awareness iya ga hungry when you get be the day dia o OZ. If you do birthday, you no go ask me money. Now me go use my mind to send that money. One day OZ nowhere. Una know adaki wo na no OZ. Now so as it dark so if you sit down for inside room, now so everywhere go dark. You no go see OZ for inside. You no go see say. The day where OZ nowhere. OZ what did they do?